That is it, man. Yo, teacher name can't stop calling now. Sheba. Yo, Sheba come out and clear the air. You see it. Don't know enough people have things to say about Sheba. Them a say, yo, Sheba never come out and say free world boss and say such things about the Gaza than you see it. But you don't know, Sheba come out and talk about her son Enhance and you don't know the whole thing surrounding Vybz Kartel and enough little something. You see it, so you don't know when I go to talk it out, want to know just tune in and just go and watch a video and just listen to Sheba say about her son and said Speed Cartel. So if you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get right as it drop. You see it? Yeah, man. So go forward now if you don't hear a Sheba say from the Gaza, you see it.
Collaboration, Vybz Kartel.
Well, of course, but I want him to one. I'm grandfather, you know. I'm grandfather. It's legal.
She would love that song. You got your answer, Vero. She would love him to do a song with Addy. Wonderful.
I
Wow.
mean, everything start from Addy. Everything start from the mother.
Yeah.
Because if Addy never bust me, I think my son. Cause if I was doing something different, I think my son would have music in mind. But him growing a music. First and foremost, people always ask that, but there's no Gaza Empire. Well, I don't know about Gaza Empire, but there's no more Portmore Empire. Cause I did this band that like a couple of years ago, about a good maybe 9-10 years ago. That was this band. So there's no more Empire. I don't know about this new Gaza camp or whatever. I can't tell about them because I'm not a part of that that group or that movement there. But you know, I was from the original movement back then, which is Portmore Empire, and that has been disbanded. So I don't really see nothing about Gaza right now.
Okay, well, Cartel is out. He's back. Have you seen him yet physically since he's out?
No, because I think right now, like 13 years behind bars, I think he need a grace period, like to be with his family and you know, just do him for a little bit. I mean, I think everybody feel try running so fast, like give him some breathing space, you know, make him enjoy what freedom is like again. Because I don't think him fully enjoy it. Him not fully know how to call it out. To function with the free life again. So, you know, I think everybody should give him that space there to make him, you know, catch up back to reality. And then now we can slowly move in and, you know, get back to whatever it is we need to get back to.
Yes.
That's so the first, well, I don't think it's the first or the biggest song, but the first song go like this. Hey, him give me bone and things, say things nice, but unfair game play twice. You still there with the brown girl up a standpipe when last week me and her fight him say, what make you never just born every day, man born, you not fit show 6 on the dice. Remember him look me and Tinny and tries so we don't know as if did that spice. Yo, man, half myself and mix up. But that's the first ever song I did with him. First ever recording with him. And that took me like a week for record, because that's the first I have people write song for me. I used to write song for myself. I used to let me clear this up. Every collab with me and Adi do, him write it. Everyone at the collabs, him write it. So like Christmas, you and him there. Man me name and the same girl when me do him write it. So him write my part, him write theme part. So when you hear the complete song, him write the whole song. Even though it's sound, you understand? Like it's a 2-person, it was written by 2-person. No, him actually did the whole project.
Oh,
wow. So I mean at the end of the day, it's the work. I don't have I write my own songs, but I don't have any problem getting songs written. I mean some of the biggest artists, Beyonce, like Rihanna, all of them have ghostwriter. Most of them big song where all of them write them song.
exactly.
So I mean, what is it to give a person credit for them work? I don't have a problem with that because I can write. It's not like I can't write. So if somebody write a song for me, I go big them up. I've gotten hits because I get a hit in a Trinidad and she don't write it. You understand? So I've had song like good song where another female artist will co-write with me, which is Climax. You know, Sheba. I have a song named No Barbie, and Climax co-write that song with me.
Nice.
Interview, I'm tell people say, well, that was my depression period, because that was when I had to come to terms say Adi was not there. And all right, what a lot of people not understand is music I never liked music. Music was not my passion. Music is not for me. I just did it because I have the talent. But Adi was the real push behind me doing music. He was my real motivation. You understand? Like, for instance, when I feel like I don't want to do this and I can't do this and I don't know if I do this, him are the one who actually there behind me, push me, like sometimes literally there behind me. You understand? So when I had to come to terms that he's not there, I feel like everybody they kind of abandoned me at that time, because everybody that I run down, whosoever I'm did I sleep with at that time in a music. I not have to talk, you can guess, I don't know. When everybody that run down that person there and everybody that look for that person there, nobody never did really did that for help me or for push me or for, you understand? Me never get no strength. Me not tell no lie. Me never get no strength.
Yeah.
None. Everybody was too busy. I try, be a people pleaser to who them feel like I did rate more.
Yes.
So I kind of had that depression stage like for about 2 years. Then after me I come out of the depression, me end up get pregnant now. So that sent me right back. that sent me right back. So for like the next 2 years again after that, I have to fight that again. Then take time come back. Then by me for come back, I'm like, this whole scene just don't feel right for me again, because then the whole colorism and prejudice coming in now, and everybody around for who for body do the best or who can show up the most of them front part and I'm a principal person, so I mean, you're not gonna see me full naked on a stage show because I have big kids. I think out of everybody in the industry, as a female, I have the most kids, and the eldest are the oldest, like as female, not really the male then, but as female. So I did have to kind of set myself a little way when I say, all right, I'm an artist but I'm still a mother.
Exactly.
So
yes.
People not understand that. Like me we go a little halfway, but me not go full way. So I still have to have my pride. And with all the music set now, it's not about talent, it's about how much you can show. It's about how much your body do. So guys, you understand? That really I get listen for the music itself. So when I was me just did feel like say, say me not think that space in your mind again, because music not stand for what it used to stand for back in my time. Back in my time, music was you have to be talented. And they used to call me the ugly duckling, in the Gaza camp, which me never have a problem with. Them call me the female cartel. Me never have a problem with that. I don't have a problem. Because most of the time, when people see me in a real life, they're like, but you look not like what me see on TV. You know, say you look, I'm like me look ugly up on TV, don't I swear it for go. So but it kind of like it, but it like the ugly image because it kind of give me like a piece on me up on the road because people could recognize me so easy into it. So here what? My real name is Tashiba actually. If you look at my son's chest, you see him have a tattoo mark Tashiba. That's actually my real name.
Yes.
So I had to say, I'm going to drop the ta and just call me Sheba. So that way, if I ever decide to flip it in a like cultural, if I want left dance along a cultural, it fits. You understand?
Exactly. Yes.
So him just they choose Sheba, not Gaza or nothing. But people, it's actually the fans that give me the name Gaza in front of the Sheba. But it was always actually just Sheba.
Yes. They
call me the dep on my eyelash, on my head tap, on my toe tap, any tap me can dep on.
Yes.
And I don't think no artist that come from his time that was a part of his group would have no problem. We wouldn't, because at the end of the day, I tell people it don't matter when me and Adi have or anybody and Adi have. There's one thing all of us to remember: say if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have a name right now. If it wasn't for him, me not think we're gonna get this interview right now.
So we have to big up Adi.
Yes, so I always tell people, say, listen, it don't matter, whatever. Me and him personally, I always separate the man from the music. You understand? I know the music side and I know the personal side. And if me and him can't grip on the personal side, we must can grip on the musical side.
Exactly.
Because at the end of the day, him make me have a name, him make me be known. And no matter if me and Adi have nothing off the air, people will never know, because I'm not coming to say it and him not come to say it, because we know so our personal differences is not for the media. You understand? Our musical journey is for the media. Anything musical is for the media. Personal stuff is not for the media. So that's why a lot of people always question, your boss good and your boss not good, because them not see me a come out a bash him and them not see me a come out a bash me, which we don't have a reason to, because me and my boss always good. Me tell people that me and my boss always good. Although we have disagreements, although we war, a personal war, we that not come up on the next, so we always good, although we not good. You understand? So that. So if my boss call me anytime, it no matter. Even if I was signed to somebody currently, them would have to understand, say, listen, this man and this man. So we have to understand how that would go. You understand what I'm saying? So him know. Him exclusive of everything. Him get that title. I mean, he bring myself. I never no link. I mean, bring myself, you know, because, all right, here what happened now. I think me taught that story a couple of times. Me used to DJ, you know, do my little music and something. But I did music as a, what you call it? Me never do it as something more professionally. But do it like as a hobby or a little, what you call it now? A little survival plan. Like, for instance, whenever I not have no money, you know, at that time I had my 2 kids. So whenever I not have no money and them have a little talent show, but I run up on the talent show, because I know I'm bad like that. Even though I don't like it, I'm a boss the talent show, collect me little money, because I can go feed my kids. You understand what I say? So a lot of people that come and hear me, you don't know, big up The Last Splash, big up Canel Party, that's where I start from, where a lot of people know me from. So when we used to go DJ, big up Raga Shanti too. Raga Shanti live back in the days. We used to go up and film show and win a whole heap of money to feed my kids. So Raga, thank you for that show there. Yeah, big them up, man. If you never no heap of night you feed me, you don't even know. So when we go up on them little show there now, we get the little money and a lot of people to see me and say, well, you know your body, you know you have to take this serious. But me never want to take it serious. So one day this DJ named Master Raj from Tiffany Disco, big up yourself, Master Raj, tell me, say, you know, say, me feel like you have to go link with Addy. Me say, all right. Me don't know if you find him. Me don't know how that to go, because at them time they know them money a mega star, you know. So you know you have to be careful how you come around him and him paranoid bad too, you know. So for you to just approach him is not even a question. You understand? But him say, okay, here we go on. Me can tell you if you find him, and me will give you the fear and everything, and you find him. Also if I work, and also if he did for work. So I say, you know what? I saw it go. What happened is me find Not Nice first at Portmore when time he used to sell cash for gold. So I find Not Nice, and I said to Not Nice, say, you know, me can DJ and something. And Not Nice say, you can DJ, all right, DJ something. That time I walk in a son, I sell cash for gold, you know, because I tell you, as a mother, we have to dig it, you know. When me DJ the song for Not Nice say, no man, you're not ready, man. You go and continue sell a little cash for gold. Music cannot fear, yeah. Just continue. And see if you can get a little trade and a little practice, because this is not fear. So, my ball and my got me yard, and that's how now me start. You know, I do about my thing, and so come back fast forward. That's how I meet Master Raj and him send me to meet Addy. So when me I go to meet Addy, me still skeptic, because remember Not Nice produce Addy, and if Not Nice can tell me say me not have the sound, me have said in my head say, then this a waste of time, because if the man will produce the man when me I try me, tell me say me not sound good. What me I go really present? Anyway, me still find him, find me way up a big yard. Couple taxis, well, couple asks in a direction. You understand what down the place end up finding? They out of the gate, when me hear same day, I wait for a couple hours, well, you understand? Because the person around the gate say, you know, so we're not sure if he might come today, because a man him don't tell nobody movements. So the person say, you have to just wait, you know, is either I'm show up or I'm don't show up. But then me I tell me I wait about for 3.5 hours, and I'm hungry, I kill me, you know, because of the fear alone, me having enough food money. Not even to buy one bun, not even one banana chips. I been out there for the 3.5 hours, you know, we don't go the fear alone, you know. I said, God, no, you know, why look like this man and not come like today I want to do and choose nothing come. As me I walk to go about my business now, I even say that I drive in. I say the big legs are driving. I say, Father God, you're not good, you could have good, so. As me I go walk off.
After 3 hours.
After 3.5 hours, I go 4 hours. Uncle Vice, I could have find to my throat dry. So when him go in now, you got tell him, say, you know, say a little silly out there, so say she can DJ, she want your ear her. And the youth come call me, like him say, yeah man, come and me hear what she can do. So the youth call me now. Lo and behold, the same song with me DJ for Not Nice, you know, because the one song me did have at the time, you know.
Yes.
The DJ for him. And him say, no, I like you, I like it. Him say, alright. I say, yeah, me can write. Him say, here what we go on. Me go give you a rhythm. You go home and write something for it. You carry it come back. You record it, carry it come back, and me hear where you're going with. And give me the rhythm. I go at the same Master Raj, hook me up with a studio at Della Vega City.
Yeah.
That's how I start from the people know. I'm record the song and I carry it back to him. No, I think him they make not nice record the song. Sorry, yeah. Not nice. See, not nice. So not nice come in and see me at the studio. Him surprise. Come and say, no, the little girl, no, she me just tell the other day so she not ready for artist thing yet. So all the boss are send me for record her. So you don't know, sir. Him record the song. And him get added the song. But I think when Adi did look fine at the song, he never really even want the song, just want to listen how well me sit down on the rhythm, or my maneuver it, like, you know, how me go. So that's what I did really look for. So when you hear it now, him say, you know, say me go sign, you know.
Which rhythm was that?
It was a long time rhythm. I still have the first copy of the song right now.
Okay.
But I can't remember the rhythm name, but I have to go search for it. But it's a song you have Da Vinci, Rhino, Lisa Hype, the whole of the greats them at that time did the song. And then, you know, Adi have a song for it where I say, come be me baby father, where you want the son, the daughter. Yeah, your baby now go so for me, are the best baby father. So I'd already him there. You understand? And then I think Black Rhino have a song for him. I say, love it when you wind up so, tip up your two up and climb up so, whoa. And then me put my first song on it now. And that was it. That was the same. Them same go sign me, and from there, so that's it.
Wow. So it just was your manager right there and then.
Right there and then in terms everything. But remember, as I said, I never know nothing about music. Like I'm going at this thing blindfolded. So that's why I tell a lot of people say them not understand. Say it's not something when me did even yearn for. So when him get locked up, I think it took a toll on me more musically. Not like, you know, well, me not go out. Me can't take it more than him mother or him baby mother or him kids them, but like on the musical side of it, me think me take it the artist and everybody, because he was my main motivation at that time.
Yes.
So when that gone, it's like him take away everything. As what people say, when him lock up, my career get locked up in a jail, which is true, because when him gone, him gone with a little motivation and a little push. When he knows that him used to supply, I think he believed in me more than me.
Wow.
So when him get locked up, me take it really hard. Me not telling a lie.
Yes. Wow. Somebody said this girl is real. Wow. Of course. You can't get any realer than Sheba.
No, my fans who follow me would know, man. Them personally know.
Yeah.
If somebody new to me, it has seen my way to them. But the fans who have been back on me through the years, all of me not do nothing, all of me not sing nothing, them stand up firm, same way like the Rock of Gibraltar. Them know.
Yes. So
for that, man.
yes.
You get what I'm saying? And as me say, because I take myself from the net here, everybody come out to talk about, oh, this a person never did run and this a person never did that hype up themselves, and I say free world boss. Listen, nobody never want my boss free more than me, but not because me now walk kind of everywhere me go me a protest. That don't mean me did feel different. Everybody angle emotions differently, and that way some people don't understand. A lot of people that walk around and about free world boss and go up on every stage show, gone big up on every interview, gone big up. Most of them don't even real them do it because they want to keep his fans and feed them time. You understand? And that a lot of people don't know. None of them people here we are ball out about free everywhere them go free. No, them not genuine. But them want to keep him fans. Because remember the Gaza nation and the Gaza fans is a big. Yeah, it's very big. So if you have them, the people that on your side, you have a good fan base, you have a good setting, you have a good highlight, and most of them just go up on stage show, go say free world boss, just for the hype and the real of it. May I be honest with you? So not because everybody but not come out because them not see mother or none of baby mother them on platform every minute and on free world boss. Can't tell me say, but we know any of them answer them miss that man and them want that man to come home. But not because you now walk and protest it everywhere, that means say you don't miss him or you miss him any less. This is what people don't understand. Because since him come out now and me advise people, I say, oh, yeah, one of them whenever I walk and I say you're free, I'm like, I don't even want to tell them people which part of my bleach them to come kiss. Because my mouth no join church sometime, you know. So I say, you know, I never pay them no mind.
Don't pay them no mind.
Me not have to walk and I call my boss name 24/7 for people know say me rate him. Who know. Real people know. You understand?
Yes.
Alright. First of all, the first time I get the news, say I get sentenced, nobody knows that me lock up in my house and I cry, I fall up in a fetal position and I cry. I cry. Me never have to come out, me never have to have the camera in my face and show people say me a ball, to say I get sentenced or whatever. No. Me in my house, me lock up and I cry, I break down and cry, I call indoor and I cry. We cried. Nobody don't know that. Me not have to advertise that because I real feelings me I feel. And a cloud feelings for show everybody say, yeah man, me I cry for show them say, yeah man, me miss it, my feel. No, me in my house, I cry, me lay down on my floor, I cry. Me never have to have a camera in my face for everybody if you see that.
True.
Me nah look cloud to make people say, yeah man, she feel it for true. Me know me feel it.
Exactly.
You understand? When me hear say him free, me jump and me scream and me go out with myself. Me not have to take up a phone and in my chair. Me not have to make people see me around and scream because me feel it. That's a personal feeling. Because I know this man personally is personal to me apart from being my musical boss or whatever. I still know him personally. So me nah look no highlight, me nah look no clout. So why everything pertaining to him, if I have a camera in my face, for show people say, okay, this is how me I do for people rate me more. No. Screw all of that. Me don't need people to rate me because them see. Oh, so me a go on like me a eat that or me a ball or me a jump or me a scream. No. Me do that in you understand that the comfort of my home. Me neighbor them can't tell you. Trust me, my neighbor them can't tell you. Them can't tell you how me scream and kick down the wall and go out with myself, but the media cannot tell you that. Because me not go run, go take up my phone and start record to show people say me a kick down the place and me a go on and me a run down the, up and down the street and a class everybody with that say I'm not free.
Yes.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
People do them something that them not do it for the realness side, them do it for the clout of it.
Exactly.
Them do it to get the fans them to say, yeah man, real person, this man, yeah man, cause see them a celebrate. I celebrated, but I did it in the comfort of my home. I never do it in front of a phone screen. I cried. I go through every emotion when every case film come up to, but me no need to do that in front of phone screen. To me, that's not real. You're not trying to be real. You're not feel it. You just want the people them to sorry for you and say, yeah, I feel it. If everything you take up your phone for the record where is concerned, and this is my personal feeling, you're not real. You just have to do it to keep the fans them by your side.
Oh. All right. So straight.
What can get me out really?
Yes.
Messing with my money. Well, not even messing with my man. Me not gonna really say that.
Oh.
No, messing with my man don't get me out, but messing with my money.
Yeah.
And the kids basically and lying.
Yes.
Like you want me 80 up plus tax, just be a liar. I mean you can't tell a lie, everybody tell a lie, but just be a straight up liar. Me not like that. No.
Somebody is Sheba single? Are you single, Sheba?
Yes, I am Singlish.
Oh. You're Singlish.
Yes, why I said Singlish? I'm not in a physical relationship, but I just started getting to know someone like about 2 months ago. But we haven't really, we're not official not yet because we haven't really like met. It's just like on the phone thing because he lives abroad and I'm here.
Yes.
So I'm still I see where it go. If it go nowhere, you understand? Because I want thing mean as soon as them fuggle them ugly, no, I'm not interested in getting them. No, I'm not time for that. I'm too old enough for all them something. I'm not time.
Yeah,
so
yeah, exactly. You have a lot of experience and you know what you want.
Yes.
Exactly.
And that is it. And if somebody now come or show me what I want, because I don't have time for that struggle of thing right now at my age. I do enough of that in my 20s and my 30s. So if you're not come, like you're ready, and if you're not come prepared and know what you want, as a man, me not have that time to go up on the roller coaster something there with you. That don't make no sense. You understand? So we still see where that go. We're not sure yet. Exactly. And as a matter of fact, we not even know where to go reach. Because I'm people, man. Yeah. I'm just saying.
Just saying that. Just saying that.
No, I'm people, man. Me not think about the next 3 years I come, I now want a man for myself because being the main woman, you get, boy, you go through all of the heartache them. I've been the main woman for the past 3 years. I just come out of a 3-year relationship like about a year ago. And as the main woman, I barely me get, bring for me, heartache, pain, disrespect, and everything else as the main woman. So right now, Mrs. say, I the one them I road I get the
The treatment.
I was getting a call. You not hear me? One
Yeah.
call just come in.
We're hearing you now.
Okay. So right now, I just decide say, let me go and take somebody else people since people that take my people. Yeah. I'm go and feel out the road and see where them girls are road like so much. Why them love this tech people man business. I've never I was never that person. I always the main person. But being the main person, me can't because it's a mother and son dynamic. That's not as easy as a son and a father, or a mother and a daughter. It's a mother and son, and even like a father and a daughter, which but a mother and a son. And then I'm dancehall, and he's more him versatile in every era.
I would say
But
that.
I'm more raunchy, and you don't see what type of person it is. So we have to really think about the concept, and we have to make it, in our way.
Yes. They're still calling.
Because
They're still.
yeah, my cousin. I wish somebody would text her and tell her me depend the line.
Yeah. And in you
That are there in that circle there that I want him get him full moment of glory, then me can re-emerge. You understand? So I have the songs them put on. If I shoot a couple of video, I try to do them before the year done, but me I make him name, me I make him go and build him thing, and then when him fully reach where I think him supposed to reach, then me can re-emerge. I don't want to disrupt my sunshine. You understand what I say? I want to give him the whole of the space to himself to run it.
looking up.
Lies or them don't want to accept is when the kids go out in music, as known as celebrity children, they really don't get the highlight because people discredit their talent because it's like, okay, them get the bus based off of them parents' name. Some them really talented for choose. Some of them, not all. I'm not gonna say all. Some of them really talented and them just want to find them own a space and them own a name, but because them don't come out and the name of their parents that's established, or people don't really give them the chance to shine by themselves because you're instantly discredited. They're like, oh, because I'm parents, or because our parents, why she get a glory there. So with me and my son, our strategy was very different. We want him to have his own name and his own individuality. Then we advertise to the world that, hey, he's my son, he's coming from my loins. You understand? And I think that's a better way to do it because, like, all right, when him start blowing up by himself, people was like, wondering who is this young youth, and then when they got the shot that I'm his mother now, that's the effect we really wanted. Like, we never wanted for boss, and then people not pay him no mind because they might tell Sheba.
Yes.
That's the first thing you hear. Or Gaza Sheba. I don't have an individual name for myself in music or an individual space. I don't even have an individual hit for myself. Right? And I have a lot of individual songs that people don't even know up to this day. So I never want that for my son. I don't want him to come out and everybody will be like, Sheba son. Me not like that.
No.
Right now they're calling me Enhanced Mother. Me like that more.
Yes.
I like that more. Me don't want him have the stamp. It's a Sheba son. Me rather be known as Enhanced Mother. Because at least that way me still have my own individuality.
Exactly.
Because that was a whole trip. We had a little, we had a little family. We had a call, we just had a little family crisis, like right before that happened. As he advertised with the whole, news about his firstborn pass away. So everybody never really, it was just a whole it, so I never get for reach. And then the thing is, I want to see his first performance when he's booked for himself. Like, I appreciate TJ and everything for calling him up. Like, him don't know what that do for us, to us. That's big. But me, I look forward for the time for the day when him get him own a bookings. That's when I gotta show up the real way now. Come and say, yeah, you understand? Him get him own spot right there, so. Cause me fix it up. Cause people who want to say people ungrateful and stuff like that.
Right.
Not that.